Licensed professional teacher ka na gustong mag-career shift at pumasok sa gobyerno? Magkano nga bang sweldo? Isa ito sa mga pinaka-common na mga tanong ng mga LPT na ayaw magturo at gustong pumasok sa gobyerno. Salary depends on the position. Hindi dahil tayo ay LPT ay pang teacher agad ang ating sweldo or salary grade. Again, ang sahod ay depende sa position at salary grade at hindi sa lisensya na hawak. LPTs who wants to career shift can start with administrative positions. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, LPTs can apply for administrative assistant and administrative officer positions. I started as an administrative assistant 1 myself. How much is the salary? Now let us look at the salary schedule of government employees in the national government agencies. Iba yung salary grade schedule ng mga employees sa LGU and the GOCCs. For administrative assistant positions, it starts with salary grade 7 to 9. Then administrative officer 1 pataas, salary grade 10 pataas. For comparison, ang teacher 1 na salary grade ay SG 11. By the way, the corresponding amount per salary grade is the basic pay. And in addition to that, meron din ibang monetary benefits like bonuses, mid-year and year-end, the subsistence and laundry allowance, the hazard pay kung ikaw ay health worker, the personal economic relief allowance which is 2,000 per month, and other incentives, especially kapag year-end, may mga binababa ang Malacanang na mga benefits for government employees. Hindi kaya yaman, but there is stability. I hope this helps, and if it does, do not forget to repost and share.